let's do eyebrows with me. I do my eyebrows by myself. I know it can be very overwhelming sometimes, but the thing is that I'm very particular about my eyebrows, and I know it can go really wrong if I leave that up to somebody else I don't have confidence with, so I prefer to do that myself. And yes, it was overwhelming initially when I didn't exactly know how to do it, but now I know the quickest and the easiest way, at least for me. So I'm going to share it with you and let me know how do you feel about it, and let me know if you try also. Okay. So before I begin, I'm going to apply lip mask to my lips because I've just barely washed my face and there's nothing on, so till it gets hydrate. So all you need is a good lighting, a mirror. So I'm going to show you my setup at the end of this video, and a thread. So this is a typical eyebrow thread that you can find in maybe Indian store or even Amazon. Like Amazon, for sure you're going to get it. I'm going to also attach the link below and twist it around. You can do both the sides, but make sure the knot does not come in between. So when this is done, there's enough of space to move around, and also this thing that takes out all your hair. Okay, so let's begin. So usually what I do for the convenience is that otherwise you need two people to do your eyebrows, to be honest, because you need to stretch your skin. So what you can do to avoid that is that I use plucker for any hair underneath. So I pluck my hair underneath from here. You might not be seeing any hair right now because I did that yesterday. So in this close mirror I can see if there's any other left. So this is the mirror, the maximized size of the mirror. And the other one is the regular size of the mirror, as you can see in the camera. So if I have to be like very particular, I remove all the hair, all the visible hair that you see over here, that I see in the zoomed in mirror, not in the camera. So this is how I remove. And also what you can do is keep a cotton with your toner so that you can take away all the hair and it doesn't fall over, and you can clearly take the rest and it doesn't come in your way. Similarly, I'm going to do the other thing. Now this makes the job easier because you're stretching your own skin, and to be honest, I think it does not pain at all because these hair are like very softer and very thin hair. You can easily take them out, and always pluck out your hair in the direction of hair. It does not pain and it comes out from the root itself. So after, when you're done with this, look into the mirror. Now this can be a little difficult to show you guys, but once you start doing it, it's easier for you. I hold my hair in between, so if I do this movement, it moves from here and takes out the hair, whatever is in this section, right? And for this I do it like this. So it takes hair, whatever is in this section. So whatever that I intend to take out, I frame it under this section and then I do the movement from here. So it's not difficult, you'll get a hang of it. And I do threading once in maybe 20 days, yeah. And if I can't take out any hair from over here, you can always pluck. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's very easy. Shape your eyebrows with this. Now it's okay, you can relax because both your eyebrows won't ever look the same, to be honest. I'm one of those girls that would prefer to do things myself than taking an appointment and going out and planning all of it. Because you never know when you can see a little bit of hair, and you want to take it out. Always apply salicylic acid onto your face just after